Nifty analysis in under 7 minutes. Starting things off with Nifty daily chart, हम लोग देख सकते हैं that higher high, higher low has once again been created, and today's candle is very bullish, which is obviously a good sign. It's obviously going to be a good sign, but यहाँ पे ये जो प्राइस रिजेक्शन कैंडल है वो जोन में आ रहा है, which means that it is approaching a caution zone. So going to the 60-minute chart, I think 835 का जो लेवल है that is now going to be key, because tomorrow, if it is able to close above 835, then it will be obviously very good sign. ठीक है, हम लोग ने पहली बात किया है 835 के ऊपर. It's just closed around 4 times in the past. 4 times in the past, and it has never closed above 835 twice in a row. So अगर 2 दिन 835 के ऊपर क्लोज हो सकता है, then obviously it's a good sign. Now interestingly, okay, just a few days back सब लोग बात कर रहे थे यहाँ पे जब था मार्केट that 15600 टूट जाएगा, 15900 आने का कोई चांस नहीं है, 15800 भी नहीं आएगा. Now we are at 15800. So the point I'm trying to make is that the market is very, very unpredictable in that sense. So we are clearly in a bullish trend. Okay, unless and until I think 15600 nahi tootta, I think we can't say that is exactly bearish, because we are seeing support at lower levels. ये 660 का ही level इतना अच्छे से support हो गया. So with that, आज मैंने एक tweet किया था. I had tweeted this. Okay, I tweeted this, and we did see a move around lunch, actually much before lunch to be honest. वो tweet करने के थोड़े ही बाद आ गया था वो बड़ा move, and we saw that move coming in the bullish direction. So my view was not bearish. Reason being 733 के नीचे I think we can expect some form of weakness, I would say. 733 के ऊपर I was expecting this level to be a support, 733 का level. But as I have marked yesterday, okay, कल का जो first hour high and low था, that was a good support and resistance for today. So वो hold किया है, which is obviously a good sign. Now coming to 60-minute chart, again just levels देख लेते हैं once again. By the way, all these levels are always there in the description, so make sure you check that out. So here levels we can see 733 again, as I said, and 835 is the next level. Now coming to the other levels, 880 के आसपास मुझे एक दिख रहा है, but that is very close to 900. So let's see what happens. RSI 60 के just नीचे है, but that is not to say that momentum is dying down. In fact, आज second half में अच्छा momentum देखने मिला है हम लोग को. So that is what we are seeing happening with Nifty. Again, all the charts, all the levels will always be there in the description. So make sure you check that out. This is what Banknifty is looking like. Banknifty's daily chart, और इसमें मैं एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ऑब्जर्व कर सकता हूँ. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग इज यहाँ पे एक लो बनाया, फिर यहाँ पे एक लो बनाया, नाउ इट मेड अ लो हियर, एंड नाउ इट इज बाउंसिंग अप. So we can see that this level right here, okay, 35,700 के आसपास, that level has become a very important resistance. But approaching that level, we are seeing higher lows being formed, which is a bullish sign. Starting from here, higher lows being formed, approaching a resistance, which means that Bank Nifty might just break out. So let's see. Let's keep our eyes, ears, everything peeled out for that, because if it gives a trade opportunity, it can be a great opportunity basically. Zoom out करके देखते हैं, bullish channel में है. ये जो double line जैसा है, that is the resistance 35,815 के ऊपर. We could see a really strong move happening, and we can see higher lows being formed and higher highs also to some extent, but more or less उधर ही है. RSI is above 60 for Bank Nifty, which is obviously a good sign. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty appears to be stronger. Now, coming to the stocks, okay, by the way, you might notice I have an Audible tab open. The reason why I've kept it is because I noticed this deal. So, 2 rupees for 4 months. So I thought I'd, share that with you. Again, just I am an Amazon affiliate, but it really doesn't give me that much benefit to share these things. I just thought maybe you might benefit from it, क्योंकि मैं ये deal में करूँगा. 2 rupees for 4 months is a great deal. So I just thought I'd share that with you. I'll add that link somewhere in the description. Again, these links, Amazon links, they do give me some commission, but it's not really that much. So like if you want to support the channel, then that's the best way to do. Just click on that link, and that's the best thing you can do. But now back to topic. Okay, Reliance, हम लोग देख सकते हैं yet another higher high and a higher low being formed. Very good candle in my view. 2100 के नीचे है, but that is still okay. I think it is just on the edge, which is fine. Now 2125 is the real resistance I'm looking at. I think 2125 जब अप्रोच करेगा तभी RSI 50 के आसपास आ जाएगा, मे बी थोड़ा ऊपर आएगा, which means that it will be testing its bullish bias. So I'm very curious to see if it's able to hold above that level. So that is what Reliance is looking like. Next stock which we are looking at is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is looking very good. Yesterday हम लोग ने बात किया कि 1480 पे शायद सपोर्ट ले सकता है, नहीं लिया तो 1460. लगता है आज सपोर्ट ले लिया. 1484 is the day's low, which is a great sign. Bullish bias is still there. RSI is above 50, which is a good sign again. Next stock, Infosys. Result is upcoming. Maybe that is why we are seeing some sideways movements. Now, Infosys, I had said that 1560, 1550 ke niche, there is some weakness. But given that it's showing us good buying happening here, at these levels, I feel that is what needs to be maintained. Again, RSI is above 60, which is a good sign. Next stock, which is HDFC, very strong candle. Okay, it's actually kind of broken out. This is the highest close for HDFC since 15th June. एक महीने का highest close है ये, which is a great sign, right? But let's see what happens again. मैंने बोला था HDFC शायद 2600 2620 के ऊपर ही थोड़ा सा प्रॉपरली स्ट्रॉन्ग दिखेगा मेरे हिसाब से, बिकॉज इट्स रियली मूव्ड साइडवेज फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. Not to say that it is not bullish today, but that's just my view. I feel it's moved sideways for far too long. So let's see how that goes. ICICI Bank, yesterday we said looks pretty good. RSI above 60, higher high, higher low. And we can see it's actually tested 665. हम लोग ने 665 का level भी आज बात किया था वो दिन. And the close is actually right around 665. So that's very cool to see. Now the next stock that we are looking at is Kotak Bank. कोटक बैंक में हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि कोटक बैंक हायर हाई हायर लो नहीं है, लो तो लोअर है बट हायर हाई फॉर्म किया है. इट्स एक्चुअली क्लोज्ड अबव यस्टरडेज हाई, व्हिच इज अ गुड साइन. 1760 के ऊपर आई थिंक we might see some strength. Next stock is SBI. SBI flat है. I think PSU banks might be flat. I'm just based on just one stock I'm trying to draw that conclusion, but हो सकता है, देखते हैं what is what. Next stock we are looking at is Axis Bank. Axis Bank में क्या हम लोग देख सकते हैं? It's a big move. It's a very strong move, and it is actually the highest close for Axis Bank since when? Since around February. So कितना 5 महीना हो गया. This is the highest close for Axis Bank, which is a very good sign. RSI is also above 60. So let's see. Very good to see this happening. And if you're curious about Zomato's IPO, by the way, make sure you check the next video. That's it for this one. See you in the next, and happy trading.